Morning, everyone. How's it going, everyone? Everyone. Oh, the sun's shining. Look at that. 7 o'clock in the morning. Woohoo! 8-wheeler Ren here. If you didn't know, aka Steve. Oh, what a day yesterday. Oh, the old blood pressure was up and down like oysters. Oh, mate. It's fair to say I'm a little bit tired. Just a little bit. Let's get over this yellow box first. Before I get a ticket. Just about to turn onto the M25. Quality. Yesterday, to go to Croydon, first job, and instead of going sort of M11 and Dartford and M25 Dartford and stuff, all that was shut. So where did I go? Right through central London. Highbury, Angel, yeah, all through, all right through London, over the Blackfriars Bridge. Make me laugh. 20 mile an hour everywhere. The cyclists overtaking me. I'm doing 20, they're doing 25. What is all that about? Seriously. Yeah. Speed is 20 mile an hour. The cyclists are tearing past at 25, 26, 27 mile an hour. You couldn't write it, mate, honestly. They got the free range cyclists, mate. They're all organic. In and out, bobbing up and down. Oi, out the fucking way, mate. Out the fucking way. We got right away. Oh, God. Constantly checking me mirrors, making sure I don't clip anyone. Oh, it was a nightmare day. And then top it off, I'll get back to the yard at 7 o'clock, and we've got a phone where we just like automatic gates. We phone a number and the gates open automatically. So I'm walking towards the gates. I'm thinking, how come the gate ain't opening? Lo and behold, my car's the only car left in the car park. Some numpties locked the gate with me car inside. Oh, I'm fuming. I'm like, you are gotta be joking me. I'm tired, I'm hungry, I just want to get home to my wife and kids, have a shower and get me nut done. Nah. Oh no, that was too easy. 7, I had to call me manager. He went, yeah, I'll be there in 45. I went, what, 8 o'clock? Nah, you're all right. So I called one of the managers, supervisor. He was off this week, but he only lives local. He rocked up at 7:30, unlocked it for me. Got home at 8:15. Oh, mate. And then up again at 5. Because I got 3 jobs, Bristol, Swindon and Hook, Captain Hook. So yeah, it's been a little bit emotional. It's fair to say. Yep. So now I'm the M25. Like I said, the sun's cracking the storms. And yeah, anyway, so that was that. I'm driving up the A10 this morning. I'm thinking, what's that smell, that sweet aroma? It's something familiar. I know what it is. It's skunk. Gordon Bennett. I'm driving. I'm out me nut. I'm DUI. Driving under the influence. I'm a passive skunk inhaler. Mate, like 2 cars down, having it away. I think they're in Amsterdam, old Cheech and Chong, giving it, just a blow back, mate. Watch me rings. Fucking hell. I'm literally like, somebody open the window. All of a sudden, I'm starving. I've got the munchies. I don't know whether to put on a Pink Floyd film. Sit there and... Fucking hell, mate. The sweet aroma of skunk. 6:45 in the morning. Should we go, Kath? Nah, I'm alright. I'm gonna have one of these. Oh, yeah. Fucking hell. If I get a tug and they drug test me, I'm gonna be over the limit. How come you're over the limit? I was driving behind a motor. Yeah, of course you were. Yeah, come on, in the back of the motor, son. Mate. Ah, quality. Yeah, you couldn't write it. Yep. So yeah, that was my day yesterday and my morning. So yeah, fingers crossed we'll have a better day today. And I parked my car inside the actual yard so that there's no way I'm getting locked in tonight, mate. God, what a numpty, mate. Oh no, I locked the gate. What's that? Oh, someone's motor. Anyway, I'll lock it anyway. He's probably sleeping out for the night. Yeah, of course he is. Fuck's sake, mate. Yeah. So, on we move. Have a good day, everyone. 8-Wheeler Ren. Please like, subscribe, comment, and forward to your mates. If they want to laugh, tune in. And have a good day, everyone. Lots of love.